Welcome to our Amla processing factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how fresh Amla is transformed into delicious food products, including
We need to clear Bay 3 immediately. Another truck is waiting.
All right, keep the line moving.
As you can see, the amla is rapidly sliced and deseeded by our automated machines. This precise process allows us to prepare the fruit for a variety.
We have an anomaly in the temperature readings here.
Yep.
Tapping the interface to adjust. There, quality is back in tolerance.
Different production lines transform amla into a variety of healthy food products.
Every Amla product is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
Keep coming back. Watch the line. Okay, setting it down now. Clear.
And that's how fresh Amla is transformed into delicious food products enjoyed by millions around the world.